everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again today with this pedicure. This set I did is like last week. Yeah, I did last week. So now we're just going to file off this and then just change the design. I don't know, maybe we can go for another color on the Frenchy. I don't know, but let's just take off everything. Like, let's file off this Frenchy and then yeah, just going to work on them today in this video. So just watch from start to finish and then yeah, comment down below if you have anything. If I knew that I was gonna go with black Frenchy again, I was not gonna remove this. Just things happened and I ended up going for black Frenchy again. So like things didn't turn out like the way I wanted them to. So that is why I ended up like going for black Frenchy. So my aim now is to file off everything, rebuild, reshape, so that I can do another design. And luckily I have this bead. What do they call it? A ceramic? Yeah, I think they call it ceramic bead. Like, it works very fast. You cannot take the whole hours on one nail. Like, it works very fast, but you need to be very careful with it. polygel, you need to cure each finger after every application. So that is why you see me like exchanging the toenails. Like when I'm changing, it means the other feet is drying. After the application that is dry, there's a stickiness that you need to remove. I'm using acetone and this tissue just to remove the stickiness before filing. So I'm gonna e-file this one toe, and the other one I'm gonna do it off camera because there's a lot of work that is happening here. So I don't want this video to be so long. So I'm gonna do only one toe, and yeah. the size 9 liner brush, I'm gonna do this flower. Like I made 3 dots, I'm gonna do those 3 dots and cure before I can do the other 3 dots. Like, reason for this, I don't want them to be runny because there's a lot of polish that is there. So I don't want it runny because I applied top coat, remember. So I don't want it to run and then lose direction. So I'm gonna do these 3 and cure and do another 3 and cure. So I did 2 nails of blue French and I didn't like it. I had to remove them and do the black, and then I did 1 nail of a black and then I liked it. Then that's where I decided to go with black French again. So yeah, that is the reason why I went with black French again. along the way I decided I want 3D type of a thing on the flowers. So I took this hard gel from Planet Nails and then started to do those 3D things. So yeah, just bear in mind I was curing each and every application there. I didn't want it to be runny, so I was curing at each and every application. After doing the one nail, and then the camera just decided to stop, and then I didn't notice. And then on the Frenchie, I decided to go with the stones because like I already have black French, so I just wanted a little bit of a twist. So I just put this stones there, and then they really look cute. And then look what happened. And yeah, I wanted the plan B, and then this was a plan B. And this is it for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to put the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Bye bye.